Handle all of my business, I'm a boss, baby. No hills on my record, I never lost, baby. Ay, get out the way and let me floss, baby. Can't stop, ay, won't stop.
You know, honestly, I really don't know, but me personally, I feel like something about having to blow dry your hair in 100+ degree weather has to be grounds for like insanity, because why? Like I'm already sweating. My hair like is already sweating out, and I just finished like 2 seconds ago. Make it make sense, but nonetheless. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Today, as y'all can tell, well, not really today, but like in this video, I am finna be getting my hair done once again by our quote-unquote favorite hairstylist. I think I'll try to insert a picture right here of the style I'm going for. It's gonna be something like that. I'm finna like try to like combine like a few different things I've seen on Pinterest, but get into the growth. It's not my best blow dry because one, I need a trim desperately. Like, I don't know if y'all can tell, but not too much because y'all probably can't tell. But I need a trim desperately. It's very much so that time. I have not, same thing as I did before. Like, I have not trimmed, cut my hair or nothing since I shaved it off. Like, I've just been letting it grow. I feel like I want to get to the 3-year mark before I trim it. That way I can do it myself and I don't have to go to anyone, but who knows? Maybe when I hit that 1.5 years, which is kind of coming up soon, when I hit the 1.5 years mark, I'll probably, I don't know, because I want to go to a salon, but I really don't, because then if they mess my hair up, I'm going to be very, very mad and I'm going to cut it back off. And I don't want to have to do that, so I don't know. We'll see when we get there, but as of right now, this is what we're working with. I need to hurry up so I can go make my appointment. But I just wanted to check in with y'all first, give y'all a little run through. And yeah, I'm very much so out of breath. This is quite sickening. I don't even want to blame it on the heat. I think I'm just getting big, but that's neither here nor there.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room, perfume, go.
I recognize your fragrance, hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit, and I know your taste is a little bit, high maintenance, everybody else basic, you live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice, poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you, and you're in the mood for empathy, there's blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them, I really wanna know you all, I really wanna show you off. Fuck God, pour up plenty of champagne, cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party, she wanna go and party. Nigga, don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga, that ain't good game, homie, sorry. They say conversation rule the nation, I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I don't you what you want. Oh, what it got this, put it in the song, alright. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I don't you what you want. Oh, what it got this, put it in the song, alright.
y'all. So what do we think? What do we think now that we've seen the final product? I've been told I look 16. I feel like if somebody's gonna tell me I look that young, the least y'all can do is give me 18. That's the least y'all can do. Cause I don't feel, I don't know. I don't think I look that young, but I guess I don't know. Nonetheless, I've decided this is gonna be a maintenance vlog because my hair is done. Therefore, I want to get a feel of my, well, not really a feel, but I want to get my nails redone. If y'all can see, they're looking scraggly, but I want to get my nails done. And by default, I'm gonna do my eyelashes, and then that's low-key kind of it. I might try on some clothes for y'all. I don't know. We'll see how that goes. And then I got that little spray hair finder off. I didn't get obviously got mine off Amazon, but I'm gonna do that as well and like shave my face. And I don't know. We're just gonna do some girly girl maintenance. And yeah. I literally had no real vision coming here. It was literally just to get my nails done. So something random, low key, but it's cute, I guess. It's giving very girly. Very, very girly. It's like a little pink glitter. I don't know. It's cute. I like it. I'm gonna zoom y'all in. Okay. I'm scared. Should I take my piercings out? I'm gonna flip my septum just to get it out the way. Getting somewhere. Oh my god, it's all in my hair. I should have left my bonnet on. Hold on.
If I wrote you a symphony just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do, because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand.
Okay, here is the face as of right now. Okay, we're gonna start with positives. It does look a lot smoother, cleaner, you know, like refreshing. I didn't wash my face. I just rinsed it off with the water like they said, but as of results and usage, I don't like this. I don't like this. Maybe there's a big difference between the other one that's like actually on TikTok Shop, because that one looks like a legit, like you hold it down and it just like sprays continuously. But this one happens like, I don't like that. I don't like that. I don't like the fact that this is like bendy. I like the convenience of it, but using it, it kept like, you know, bending as I was trying to use it, and I didn't like that. But I mean, they got the job done, so it's not a complete bust. It's just, would I buy it again? Probably not. Am I going to use it again? Probably not. Look, hair's done, face is clear, nails done. Time for me to do my eyelashes. And I feel like this is always the hardest part, so I never know which ones I want to do. Today, though, I think I'm going to do these ones. I'm really trying to use up all the like different like lash whatevers I have before I get some new ones, but it's like I feel like there's a reason I haven't been using these. Not that they're bad, it's just they're not giving the look that I would like. So I think I'm gonna go for these with the famous duo or whatever. I might change this one out. This one hasn't been doing me right. I might go back to the original one I was using to see if it was Maybe because I didn't know what I was doing back then. That's why it was falling off. But this is what we're gonna do. I don't know. I don't know how full of a look I want to go for. I really don't, but we'll see. Nonetheless, we'll see. I tried a new combo. I don't know what type of vibe it's giving, but I think I like it.
Cleans better than the leading competitive free detergent, and it doesn't leave behind irritating residues.
Plus, Tide Free and Gentle has no dyes or perfumes, so it's gentle on your skin.
Case closed.
If it's got to be clean, it's got to be Tide Free and Gentle.
What do we think? What do we think? Ignore the mess in the background. We're in my soon-to-be beauty room, but it still looks a mess. But what do we think? I did a new like lash map. I think I like it. I think I like it. I feel complete. It's like at this point I want to play in makeup. I probably won't, but I want to play in makeup low-key. I might. Just a smidge. I think I'm gonna put this on. Yeah. Because it's not really nothing for real in here. So I'm probably gonna do this and maybe go a little shopping. But we'll see. We'll see where the day takes us. Alright, y'all. Be honest. Don't be no hater. Like, don't look good. Don't. I feel like I haven't felt this like pretty in like a cool minute, and I'm hyped. I'm actually very hyped. But I just need to like show y'all real quick. This is what it looks like. Do it look good for real? I really don't know, but to me it looks good. I really didn't do nothing for real. It was only 3 products. Like, all it was the little, what is this called again? The glowy super gel, blush, and lip gloss. And then I went over it afterwards with the Sephora Micro Smooth powder just to like set my whole face. And I also did my eyebrows. Well, when I say did my eyebrows, I put the gel on it and I brushed it through. Like, that's literally all I did, and like semi kind of shaped it. But this, I feel like a bad bitch. Nonetheless, but I think I am gonna go. I'm gonna go shop. I just want to go walk around looking cute. Really, truth be told, that's all I want to do for real. But I also want to see, like, if I go inside a makeup store, are they gonna tell me like blush blindness, or like, yeah, that's not cute? Like, be real. Like, if it's ugly, let me know it's ugly so I don't walk around looking like this. But if it's cute, tell me it's cute too. You know, like, don't be no hater, but don't be no liar either. That's all I ask. That's all I ask. First stop complete. I didn't even have to look for nothing. The lady came and see me struggling because I have never, honestly, I don't think I've ever been to Sephora since I've moved over here, but I didn't know where everything was at, and I didn't really want to struggle walking around no way, so I just let her take me to everything. And we got the goods. We got the goods. So, y'all, the day is just about over. I'm currently just sitting out here with the pup. Ignore the, well, I can't even say grass, the dirt. It's a work in progress. But yeah, currently just sitting out here. I just got back home from the rest of like my day. Basically, I was making some TikToks and stuff right now, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Ooh, look at me. I swear, when they be like, when you look good, you feel good, just all around, not even just like mentally, just all around. It's true, because I feel so much better about life. I feel like I can tackle anything the world has to throw at me. Wow, everything is looking fresh and clean and new and all that good stuff. But nonetheless, like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below what videos you guys like to see next. If y'all want me to do more vlogs, more sit down stuff. If y'all want me to get back into my story times, because I've been trying to not, but it's just so much. My life is a movie for real. If y'all knew, but I digress. Like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.